Chris K with your Peak Fitness Foundation 2 Workout A. Now for Workout A, we're going to start out with an exercise called a hand walkout. Alright, with a hand walkout, what I'm doing here, coming into a push-up position, I'm keeping my abs tight. I'm just walking as far forward as I can comfortably with my hands, pausing for 1 to 2 seconds and coming back. The main form cues with the hand walkout, keep the butt down, no rotation of the torso. Some errors that we often see with it are excess rotation of the torso as you're walking or piking up in the air. If that is the case, move slower, take smaller steps forward. So maybe just small, and it'll get harder as you walk out farther. So you can increase the difficulty by doing that. All right, from there we're going to go into just an elevated plank hold. All right, with this, I just want you to elevate your feet on a step, shoulder blades down and back, picking a spot about 15 degrees in front of me, just holding in this position, keeping my abs tight. From here, we're going to go into a straight leg side plank, one foot stacked in front of the other, sticking the chest forward, holding for prescribed time. You can hold onto your shoulder to help to get that shoulder blade down, no shrugging of the shoulders. You're holding in this position, make sure everything is straight as opposed to rotating under. And I want you to perform those 3 exercises back to back with as little rest as possible. For the planks, we're holding for prescribed time versus reps, so that would be anywhere from 20 to 50 seconds. With a hand walk, we're going anywhere from 8 to 12 reps, and that's your Workout A.